Hello students. In the previous videos, I explained about forward contract, future contract and option contract. Today we are going to discuss the futures of forward contract, future contract and option contract. So firstly, a forward contract. We all know the meaning of forward contract. Forward contract is an agreement between two parties, buyer and seller, to buy or sell underlying asset at specified future date and at specific price. So this is the meaning of forward contract. Now moving further, the futures of forward contract. The first point, customized contract. So a forward contract is custom designed, and hence it is unique in terms of contract size, maturity date, quality and the quantity of asset, etc. So in simple terms, why forward contract is customized? Because it is based on the need of individuals. The contract size, maturity date, quantity of the underlying asset, everything will change or will differ from individual to individual. So that is why it is called customized contract. So it is based on the need of individuals. Next, contract is settled by delivery. So in forward contract, the contract is normally settled by the delivery of asset on the expiry date. So contract is settled by delivery, which means the contract will going to settle on the delivery date. I mean on the expiry date. Next, exposed to counterparty risk. In the case of forward contract, suppose a party fail to fulfill the contractual obligations, that becomes counterparty risk. Next point, cancellation or reversion can be made only through the same counterparty, which means if the party wishes to cancel the contract or any of its terms, he want to, suppose if want to cancel any of the contract terms, it has necessarily to go to the same counterparty. So that is the point, cancellation or reversion can be made only through the same counterparty. So cancellation and reversion both possible, but only through the same counterparty. So that is the condition. Next point, traded over the counter, not on exchange. That means forward contract trades only over the counter and not on exchanges. Means it does not have any standardized settlement procedure or place. So there is no standardized agency, exchange agency. So traded over the counter only. I hope you understood the forward contract and its futures in brief. Thank you.